Hello everyone, this is an analysis for gold, starting it off on the weekly time frame just to put things in perspective. So, as I've been advocating that we are due for a pullback. Well, we got a red candle finally on this weekly time frame. We have one out of the past, 4 weeks. So, ultimately, I'm still thinking that price is going to consolidate. I just don't know if we are actually going to see that pullback to the 1300 level. The way things look with the US dollar, the amount of fear that's out there in the market right now, it just has the yen kind of, bid up and the US dollar being punished. So even when the US dollar looks like it should be bouncing and gold should be retracing, that tells you something that we haven't actually fallen back. So there are still, buyers in this market. They're coming in at this 4-hour trend line here. And even though we did see, essentially a break of this trend line towards the latter sessions, a latter portion of the session on Friday, again, we're still holding this level here at around 1318, which coincides with this fib level. So, you know, overall, things just look fairly strong for gold. And even though things, look like they should be kind of retracing, we still might have that pullback to about that 1310 mark, maybe even that 1300 level. However, the way things are looking right now, it's best to just kind of confirm that you have a sell signal. We do have a sell that was confirmed back here, and we have that gap up here. We're not actually short at the moment. We're still, looking at this action here and not convinced. We are riding along this downtrend line here that we broke out of. Obviously, it was a short downtrend line, but again, we're still above it. We're a little bit below this uptrend line here, which again was more of a parabolic line. And given that the break hasn't exactly come with any conviction, um, that says a lot. So we did have that 4-hour candle here that tried to get back above and did fail. And here we did have some more selling pressure come in. However, it's not been aggressive. We haven't seen that aggressive selling pressure that we've been seeing. But I am still advocating and looking for that pullback to come back to about that 1310 mark or lower. So that's kind of what I'm thinking right now. It's going to be kind of a mixed picture, as the dollar itself is in a very mixed conundrum picture, and it's ultimately going to be decided by how much fear is out in the market. So if you're looking to go short, you have pretty much the odds on your side, but you don't have the news on your side. If you're looking to go long, you don't really have that on your side either, because of the fact of where the US dollar is with retrospect to certain levels. So, there's an opportunity to get thrown either way, that you potentially take a trade at this point. So again, we're sitting on the sidelines, not looking to take a position here unless prices do come back to around this 1300 mark, at which point then we will go ahead and go long for a few ticks at least, and then we'll have to see what happens. So that's kind of what I'm seeing right now. It's kind of a cloudy outlook, but again, just kind of keep in mind that we do have a lot going on with the sentiment out there, and looking at the 38.2 is still the target for the pullback. However, we're just not looking to get aggressive on the short side at this time. So we're going to go ahead and wait a little bit longer and see what happens. If we miss out and then go long, it's okay. We'd rather play those higher probability setups than do that gambling that so many traders do. So that's what I'm thinking as far as gold's forecast for the upcoming few sessions, and then I'll update you all on Wednesday evening if I have a little bit more clarity as to which direction and what the next target levels will be. So I thank you all so much for watching and subscribing to my channel. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and I'll update you all on Wednesday. Thanks for watching.